My name is Ryan and I am a student at 청담 평촌. Today we will be discussing which is better, studying alone or studying in groups. Studying in groups is more fun, but it is difficult to concentrate, and studying alone is good for focusing, but it will be a little bit boring. I think it is better to study alone for two reasons. First, studying alone is better to focus on our work. For example, if we are studying with our friends or groups, they will be talking a lot and then won't be able to concentrate on our work. But on the other hand, if we study alone, it will be quieter than in groups, and it is better to focus on our work. In groups, we can ask some questions about our work, but if we are just talking or not doing our work, there will be no help. And according to some researchers, they said studying alone is better to focus on our work than in groups for many academic reasons. Second, it will be better to increase our ability. If we do some works like English, we are alone, so we could focus well or on English. Also, we could increase our ability in English. This could make us more confident, and we could solve the problem about English better, so we could have better atmosphere than before. It will be perfect to increase our ability, and if we increase our ability, we could get a good score in our tests. So I think studying alone will be better to increase our ability. In conclusion, I think it is better to study alone for two reasons. First, it is better to focus on our work, and the second, it will be better to increase our ability. Thank you for listening to my presentation.